Good afternoon, all of you. We have made a flood indicator alarm. This project is made by Anmol, Sanit, Shiv, and Archit. Here is the presentation.
Problem. Floods cause immediate problems like loss of life and property, displacement of people, and damage to infrastructure and crops. Cause and effects. Floods are caused by heavy rainfall, melting snow and ice, dam failures, and coastal ice storm surges, and their effects include property damage, loss of life, and infrastructure destruction.
Solution of the project. We have made a flood alarm which help in saving a lot of people and property. Project made of this project is made of first we made cardboard platform, and then we made road and houses, and then the collection connection of flood alarm. We connect the bolt and buzzer with the battery.
In this project, when the water is overflows, the water touches the bolt, and then the buzzer siren producing a sound and vibrate, and the LED glows.